Today there are many animals swimming in the mud. Some are even superhero. Let's take them out one by one and wash them. Wow! The first animal is monoclonus. Let's take out the second animals. Wow! Let's wash it. Wow! It lives in the sea. This one is an octopus. Let's take out the second animals and wash it. Wow, this is a rhinoceros. Let's take the next animals out and wash it. Wow, this is a parasaurolophus. Let's take the next animals out of the mud and wash it. Wow, this is a fast running cheetah. Now the next animals is taken out of the mud and washed. Wow, this is a polar bear which live in cold. Let's take the other animals out of the mud and wash it. Wow, this is a long-necked giraffe. Now let's take the second animals out of the mud and wash it. It looks like a horse. Wow, it is really a horse. Now let's take the second animals out of the mud and wash it. Wow, this is a Dino superhero. Now let's take out the next animals out of the mud and wash it. It is an elephant. Wow. Now let's take the next animals and the last animals out of the mud and wash it. Wow, it is a cow which give milk for all of us. Thank you for watching, my lovely viewer.